Hey fam, welcome back to Gracefully Eats channel. On this very video today, we're gonna be making celery juice. Yes, I will be making this juice, meanwhile telling you the benefits of this juice in the background. Okay, so this juice is not just celery alone. I will also be adding ginger and lemon. If you want to know the benefits of this, if you know it's your first time coming across this face or this channel and you haven't subscribed, please hit on the subscribe button, put on the notification bell, which is the first bell icon that appears. This enables you to get notified each time I upload a new video or a new recipe. And to my returning subscribers, God bless you. God bless you. Thank you for always keeping me going. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into the video. And if you like this video at the end of it, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to leave me a comment. These are the fruits we'll be using for this recipe. Yeah, so here is my celery, washed with a little bit salt and water. So I'll just dice them in or chop them to the size that will enable my blender to blend easily. So you can use a juicer if you have one, but if you don't, you can make use of your blender. So the reason why you should always try as much as possible to add celery to everyday food or intake is because celery is low in calories, it fights inflammation, it also fights infections, and more benefits it has. Here is the ginger, also washed already. Ginger may help in weight loss. It can also treat nausea, especially morning sickness. It contains gingerol, which has powerful medical properties. Lemon are very high in vitamin C, fiber, and various beneficial plant compounds. Lemon is also good for weight loss. It supports heart health. It helps control weight. It also prevents kidney stones. It protects against anemia. It reduces cancer risk, and lots more. So I will be adding all these ingredients into the blender and blend thoroughly to enable get enough juice. I added 1 glass of water because I needed this juice for at least twice drinking. You can choose not to add to it. So I'll just go ahead and sieve out the juice from the fiber, and I will be using this fiber for celery soup. Stay tuned for this soup in my upcoming videos. How to make your celery soup. Celery is very healthy for the skin. It helps your skin glow. Taking a glass or any food that contains celery a day has a lot of benefits. So after sieving out the juice, this is the look. It tastes a bit salty, but it is very well enjoyable. To all my membership of this channel, I want to say a big thank you. God bless you for always supporting this channel in one way or the other. I really appreciate. And another special person is the Best Davis Show. please go check out this channel to get the latest information and the latest movies from Nollywood. If you're watching and you haven't subscribed to that channel, we've come to the end of this very video. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment in the comment section about what you think about this video, and if you have any more contributions on the kind of video you want me to be bringing up, please leave it in the comment section. And for staying till this time, thank you so much. I really appreciate. And until next video, stay blessed and stay safe. Cheers to good health. Oh my God. This is one healthy drink you should try. Yeah. Okay, bye.